What's up, y'all? This is 12 o'clock. Welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip. Today's kind of specific because I ran into something on this parts motor that I'm sure some of you, especially stunners, have ran into before. So I got everything in there. Everything was bolting up good. I went for this bolt for the cage. And of course, the motor mount on the motor is stripped out. Now, I'm not too upset because I paid a couple $100 for this whole bike, so. But what do? I mean, you can rethread the motor, but then you got to drill this hole bigger to fit a bigger bolt, because obviously you can't put those threads back in it because this bolt already goes through it. So what do? I found a solution. Without even pulling the motor back out, all you have to do is clearance the back of the motor mount. Hope you can see that. All you have to do is clearance the back of that motor mount, and then you can put a bolt and a nut on it. So what I did was I took a little burr tool and I just grinded all this off and made space to where I could just get a nut in there. So now I can take this bolt right here, put it through the cage, it comes out this side right here, and I can get a nut on it. So now we can go right here. I can put this nut on it. Like I said, there's just enough room to get it started. And there you go. So I didn't have to drill anything, I didn't have to retap anything. All I did was shave just enough material from the back of that to get that nut in there. That nut wouldn't fit in there. You don't want to go too much because you'll get into the block and then pretty much your block's ruined. So just shave a little bit off, just enough. Take your time, little bit by little bit. Here's the little tool that I used on the drill. It's just a little burr tool. Now I can put the cage on there and I don't have to buy a new motor because one motor mount is stripped. So there you go, guys. That's it for this week. It's 12 o'clock, and remember, I'm not guaranteeing this at all. This is just the tip.